Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce e-commerce returns with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. Reducing e-commerce returns is crucial for maintaining profitability. Start by analyzing your return data. Identify common reasons for returns. Examine customer feedback and reviews for insights. Implement detailed product descriptions. Ensure they accurately represent the item. Include dimensions, materials, and usage instructions. Utilize high-quality images from multiple angles. Consider adding videos for a better product experience. Set clear return policies upfront. Make them easily accessible on your website. Consider offering a size guide for apparel and footwear. Utilizing sizing charts can significantly decrease fit-related returns. Improve product quality control. Ensure items meet quality standards before shipping. Incorporate customer education. Create FAQs addressing common concerns about product use. Use automated tools to communicate with customers post-purchase. Follow up with emails encouraging feedback. Implement a friendly and easy return process. Make return shipping straightforward for customers. Offer in-store return options if applicable. Consider introducing a virtual try-on feature for apparel. This helps customers get a better sense of fit and style before purchasing. Provide incentives for customers to keep products. Examples include discounts on future purchases for keeping items. Utilize customer loyalty programs. Encourage customers to engage with your brand beyond a single purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.